do, I don't know what I'm going to say.
Hi there. Can I order a meat, cheese, feast pizza, please, sir?
Delivery or collection?
Well, could I come and get it?
So, a cheese pizza?
Well, a meat, cheese, feast pizza.
Like 10 inch or 12?
Can you do it 14?
You would have 10 inch and 12 inch.
Can you not do it for 14?
No, we haven't got any pans at 14 inch. We have 10 inch and 12 inch.
Is there any way around this?
None at all. We've only got, like I say, we've only got 10 inch pans and 12 inch pans.
Can you not put it in the pan and like put it straight into the oven?
No, because it's a mesh oven. It's not a stone oven.
Oh God, she's gonna kill me. I was supposed to have this all sorted out.
1 minute, please.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Yeah, so we only do 10 inch pizzas and 12 inch pizzas.
Right. Do you do any in between the 10 and the 12?
Just a 2 size.
Oh, somebody's at the door. Hold on. Oh, hello there! Yeah, just come straight in. Yeah, there's been a bit of a mix-up with the pizzas. Hello? Hello, so just one 14-inch cheese pizza there. Meat cheese pizza, please.
Meat cheese?
Yes, please.
Right, so we only do 10 inch and 12 inch.
Sorry?
We only do 10 inch pizzas and 12 inch pizzas.
Oh, damn it. I'll pay some extra money if you can get it to 14.
We can't make it into 14. We can't.
Please.
So it's in the oven.
Please.
We can't. The oven's a mesh oven. It won't let you do it any bigger than what the pan is.
Oh, Christ. What do you suggest?
Well, I said we're going to do the biggest pizza we do is 12 inch.
Right. Is there any way of adding to it
No.
after completion?
None at all.
Oh, Christ. Fuck. I'm in a bit of a mix-up. Can you not do half of a 14?
We've only got a 12. The biggest pan we had was a 12 inch.
Can you fold it or?
No.
Right. Well, whatever other treats do you sell? What other treats do you sell?
How do you mean?
Chicken,
Do chicken, yeah?
ravioli,
Got the ravioli.
Decisions. So there's no way of a 14-inch.
None at all.
Positive?
No at all.
Not even if I pay extra?
No.
I'll pay a lot.
Can't. We've only got 12 inch. The biggest we've got is 12 inch.
I'm willing to spend £50 on this if you...
No chance we can't.
Is there no way of folding the pizza?
No.
Right. Well, do you not have any suggestions on how I could get a 14-inch?
The only way was to do one of the pizza shops.
Oh, God. She's gonna kill me.
Oh, she's hung up. Oh, come. That was me. Bring him back. Bring back now. Bring back.